Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Facebook tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can transfer the ownership of a Facebook page to a different user on Facebook. So let's say you want to sell your page or you want to move the ownership to a different account of yours on Facebook. You need to follow this procedure. You're going to do this in a jiffy. So the procedure we used to in 2024 is not working anymore. So this is an updated tutorial. So you just need to follow me just like I said. So all you need to do is move to your page setting here. So I was on my wall, so I scroll down here to settings and then I move to my page settings here. So on here, I would have to scroll down to my page setup. So here you can see page setup here, so I tap on that. Good. So on here, I move to my page access. So the procedure is I'll be adding a new account. So I'll be adding the new account here. So I tap on add new and I move to next. I enter the name here. So the name is Michael. And good. So this is the Facebook account, Michael Tafari. So saying allow this person to also have full control. So tap on that. So it means this person can even delete you from the page. You can see remove everyone from the page including you. So now let's give the person access. So I'll need to enter my password here. So just like you can see, the invitation has been sent here. So what I need to do next is hop on that account and then accept the invitation. So after accepting the invitation, I'm going to see my name, which is this Facebook account name here, and then I remove it. And then I'll be getting full access of the page on the Michael Tafari Facebook page. So that's it on how to transfer the page ownership of a Facebook page in 2025. That's the only way to do this because the 2024 tutorial procedure is being up now. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.